When you are all ready to publish your website, you're going to follow these steps. First, make sure you're happy with everything that's on your page. Utilize the rubric. Make sure that you have all of the required elements. Remember, this is just a sample page, so mine just has a little bit of everything. It's not exemplary. It just gives you a model of things that you could have. Next, you're going to go into Schoology, and you're going to navigate into your class's rubric. So everybody has this located in the Unit 5 folder. It's in week 9. And then it is located in this assignment tab, which is the Unit 5 website submission. I'm in the green classes folder, so you're going to see rubrics from folks in the green class pop up. For you, it'll say My Document, and you should have a rubric that has your name on it that you want to open up. You're going to do two things. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to self-evaluate your site. So this means you're actually going to use the criteria given to you in the rubric, and you're actually going to say, what do I think I deserve on this project and why? This is not the grade that you might necessarily get, but it's to get you thinking and really, really considering if you earn the grade that you think that you do. And also to make sure that you double check one last time before you submit, make sure that you've done all of those requirements. I'm going to show you a couple examples here of folks who have done this step. So you can see, so some folks here who are saying the grade they should get and why. We have another example. Again, this is not the grade that these folks are going to get. It's just examples of how you should be completing this first box. Right, so we do see some folks who are just saying the grade. We really want to make sure we also say why, so give a rationale as to why you should get that grade. So that's step 1, right? You've gone through, you filled that out. Go ahead and keep that rubric open. You're now going to go back into your website, and we're going to publish. You're going to click on this publish button. You want to make sure that 2 things are selected. One, you have your web address. You'll see that this is just kind of pre-populated. You can change this, but I suggest you don't because Google pre-creates it. And if you try to choose something else, it might not allow you to use that link. So just keep it as it is, makes it nice and simple, and it's guaranteed to be published. Then you want to make sure that your site is set to anyone at Mastery can view. For most of us, this should already be preset. If you see that this is not showing up, I would love for you to send me a Schoology message just to give me a heads up. It's okay if it does not say this. Again, it's okay. I don't want you to try and change it, but just send me a message giving me a heads up so that I can go in and try to fix it on my end. Then we're going to click on Publish. So when we do this, right, our computer will tell us it's publishing and nothing seems to have changed, right? You will see over here, though, on the right-hand side, there's this little drop-down arrow. Click on that and then click on View Published Site. And this will take you to what your website actually looks like. So we see our formatting panel's gone. I have all my subpages here. Obviously, mine are blank because there's nothing on mine. But go ahead and scroll through, take a look, make sure everything works, make sure that your videos are working, make sure your pictures are nice and clear, make sure your Google form is embedded. If at any point you made a mistake, you can always go back in and edit and then republish. To do that, you just click on Publish again, and it would prompt you to publish. Once you're completely happy with your website, you're going to copy this link up top here on your published web page, on the published page. You're going to copy and paste. So for some of us, we know how to right click and select copy, or on your keyboard, you can select Control+C as in cookie. You're then going to go back into your rubric and you are going to paste the link to your published site. I'm not going to do that here. I see that some folks have already done that. But you can see in these examples, they have posted the link to their published site. To paste, you can either right click paste or hit Control+V as in violin. Once you have done that, you're free to go ahead and submit. Your rubric should look just like the ones that I'm showing you here, right? So your evaluation, self-evaluation of your project, and then the link to your site. If this works, I should be able to then just click on your link and go out to your published site and then evaluate and give you your grade. Once you have submitted your rubric, you are all set. You have this website to take with you. You can edit it at any time. You can publish it, unpublish it, and you can have it as a testament of all the great work you did in technology class. If you need any help, please send me a message or a text, and I will help you out to the best of my ability. Remember that if you need to meet with me via Zoom, you should have scheduled that by 8 a.m. on on Friday morning. If you're one of those folks, I can meet with you during our class time. Good luck.